I'll risk it. Is this unlocked? Wait, no, it's unlocked. Locked. Ooh, water. Yes, storm. Okay. There's a huge water droplet that whizzed by my phone. I don't have the waterproof case anymore, so I gotta be kind of careful. Okay, good. Move. Yeah, I'm really hyper today. I don't know why. If you couldn't hear me, because I was covering the mic. I said I'm hyper today. I don't know why. But yeah, mist storm. Hello, fan light. We meet again. Oh yeah, how do I get my Titanic posters? Off topic here. Oh, hello. Dang it, I waited in front of the camera. Well, oh yeah, let's check out Tar 2. Or Tar 1, I'm sorry, okay. Okay, so hello 3DS. Hello AirPods, I'm not trying to flex, okay? These are Gen 2, I don't want to hear it, alright? So, what have I added with Tar 1? Yes, I changed the name. Cry about it. The old version was Tar 1 Proto, which stands for prototype. It worked. So, actually, I'm gonna make another video. See ya.